Dive into the world of fitness with the Schwinn 430 elliptical machine, a beacon of health for enthusiasts craving a low-impact, high-efficiency workout. Let's explore why this machine might just be the missing piece in your home gym puzzle. The Schwinn 430 stands out with its magnetic ECB resistance, offering 20 levels of smooth, frictionless training. It's a quiet achiever, literally, with its whisper-quiet operation, ensuring your workout doesn't become noise pollution. With a robust frame supporting up to 300 pounds and a generous 20-inch stride, this machine is built for durability and comfort. Variety is the spice of life, and the Schwinn 430 doesn't disappoint. It comes preloaded with 22 workout programs, including heart rate control and custom user-defined options. Whether you're looking to torch calories or enhance your cardiovascular health, this elliptical has a program tailored just for you. Crafted with a sturdy steel frame and oversized cushioned footplates, the Schwinn 430 is designed for stability and ease. The dual handlebars, one set fixed with pulse sensors and the other mobile, allow for a full-body workout, adaptable to your fitness needs. Adjust your workout intensity with the manual incline feature, offering 6 positions up to a 10-degree incline. The fixed 20-inch stride accommodates users comfortably up to 6'3", ensuring a natural and effective lower body workout. The belt drive system, combined with a perimeter-weighted flywheel, ensures a smooth and consistent stride. With 20 levels of eddy current resistance, you can easily transition from a gentle warm-up to a challenging climb with just a few button presses. The control unit is the brain of the Schwinn 430, boasting a USB charging port and compatibility with Schwinn Connect and MyFitnessPal. Track your progress with ease and enjoy additional amenities like a bottle holder, media tray, and a sound system to keep your energy high. While assembly is straightforward, it's a 2-person job that rewards you with a solid, ready-to-use fitness machine. Maintenance is minimal thanks to the machine's high-quality construction, ensuring your focus remains on achieving your fitness goals. In conclusion, the Schwinn 430 elliptical machine is a comprehensive fitness solution for those seeking a versatile, low-impact workout. With its array of features and programs, it's ready to support your journey towards a healthier lifestyle.